Almost everyone is suffering from the problem of cold and cough. Everyone from children to old people is picking their nose, runny nose, stuffy nose while sleeping, phlegm coming out with it, and tonsils suffer the most. Get rid of tonsil pain in a simple way. Hello everyone, welcome to Medidoc Tokunchan. If you are new to my channel, you must like and subscribe so that the notification will reach you when I upload any health related topic later. Let's start today's topic without delay. Today's topic is home remedies for cold and cough. Bengalis are tired of hot weather, having to go to work with the hot sun on your head, directly entering the air conditioned room from the intense heat. After returning home from the sun, he pours cold water from the refrigerator down his throat. It increases the problem of cold and heat. Almost everyone is suffering from the problem of cold and heat. Everyone from children to old people is picking their nose, runny nose, stuffy nose while sleeping, phlegm coming out with it, and tonsils suffers the most. Tonsil gland swelling due to cold and heat problem, viruses or bacteria invade there and inflammation occurs. As these tonsils swell, it causes pain, so does the throat problem. Then it is difficult to eat and swallow food. To get rid of tonsil pain, you must take the help of medicine. Apart from that, you can take help of home remedies. You can eat hot soup. Besides, you can make tea with tulsi, honey, cardamom, and ginger. You will find comfort in it. If you have tonsillitis, throat infection, toothache, you can gargle with salt water. Salt helps prevent bacterial infections. Gargle or gargle with salt water 3 to 4 times a day for quick relief. Honey has antibacterial properties. Honey is very effective in reducing throat infection, tonsil pain. Honey helps reduce inflammation. You can mix honey in hot water or drink herbal tea with honey. If there is a pain in the throat, it is difficult to swallow food, so eat some soft food this time. Tonsil problems take some time to heal, so at least 1 week you have to eat soft food. You can eat glutinous rice. Eating hot soup at this time is most beneficial. Since now the outbreak of coronavirus has increased, it is important to be careful. Symptoms of sore throat, fever, cold, and cough are appearing despite being infected with COVID. So, if the problem does not subside, talk to the doctor quickly. So, for today, thank you so much for staying with me for so long. Talk to you later about any other health issues. Stay well until then, stay healthy.